Hello everyone. In this video, we will see the user interface available in Alteryx. This is basically the window of Alteryx. I am using a Alteryx software, which is a 2021 version, latest version. This is basically a free trial version. You can observe this particular toolbar. Below that, there will be a menu bar over here, and these are nothing but the tabs. So right now I have clicked on this particular favorite tab. So from this you can drag and drop any type of the tool which you want. So overall there are 230 tools available in this particular tab. So these are the different tabs which is available over here. So this is in and out, preparation, joins. Likewise there are different tabs, and each tab will be consisting of different tools. So preparation is also there, joins is also there, and parse, transform. Likewise, there are different types of tabs available in this particular cases. So in this particular tabs, there are different tools which you can use for data cleansing, data cleaning, as well as data blending, merging. All this can be done. Special tools are also there if you want to click. So likewise, there are different types of tools available. So there are 230 tools available in this particular Alteryx interface. So this is basically the menu bar. If you have clicked on this, if you want to create a new workflow, you can just type a shortcut as Control plus N. This is edit, view, option, help, and this is you can change the language also. So the by default language is English, which is available. So this canvas which is available over here is nothing but a new workflow. So if you want to create a new workflow, we can just type Control plus N. So a new workflow will be created over here. Right now I will be keeping as it is, new workflow 1, and below that you will be seeing the result workflow. So whatever file I will be dragging and dropping, if I want to connect to a database, say Excel database, so I will just click on this particular input data. Yeah, so I'll just click on this particular input data. I will drag it and drop it in the canvas. So I'll just drag it and drop it in the canvas. So what I will do now, I will just connect to a database. So already the path is given in this particular case. I have selected my path. So I'll just click on the files. So whichever file I want, so I'll just click on this particular Excel. So it will show me different types of Excel files. So whichever file I want, so I'll just click on this particular any of the files over here. And if I have clicked that file and I have clicked on open, so that files and the results will be available at the below sides of the workflow. So whatever file I will be taking over here, so the result will be available at the downward side. So you can see over here data, metadata. So whenever you have taken any of the file, you can just click on this particular run button. Okay. If you want to delete this, you can just right click on this particular input data, and then you can just delete it. So you can see that there is options such as canvas, workflow, runtime, event, meta info. So all these are nothing but the options which is available over here. So whenever you are taking the input data, you are dragging and dropping it into the canvas. Then you have to connect to the database, whether it is Excel, CSV, JSON, a text file, or any of the file which is, you can take it and you can just run it, and you can see the results at the below side of the results workflow. So this is basically the user interface. If you want to save this, you can use Control plus S, and if you want to use this particular, or you can open this particular in new window, so you can use Control plus 4. So this is the thing with the toolbar which is available over here. Below that there will be a menu bar, and these are the tabs which is available over here. So now what we can see over here, if you want to select and deselect any of these particular tabs, so you can just click on this particular plus sign, and if I want to deselect this particular in, so I can select and deselect, so it will disappear. So right now I have unticked this particular in out, so it is going to disappear. If I have ticked this, I'll keep it as it is. I'll not do anything. I'll just click on cancel. So it is remaining over here. So it is indicated by different colors. So you can see over here, the green color is used for this particular in out, and a blue color for preparation. So there are different tools available in this particular tab: preparation, joins, parse, transform. So likewise there are different tabs. So all in all, there are 230 tools which is available. So some of the favorites which is available over here is nothing but this particular browse. You can browse it. Input data, output data, text input, data cleansing, formulae. So this is given by blue color. So blue color represents preparation, and the green color represents in out. If you want to search anything, you can just type over here, and you can go for search. Anything you can type, so you can go for search. That's all for this video. I hope you have understood the user interface of Alteryx. Thanks a lot.